I'm here with mining.com.au at PDAC 2026, and very happy to be here with Lahontan Gold, Kimberly Ann. Great to see you, Kimberly.
Great to see you.
And so why don't you just give us a quick introduction to Lahontan Gold? Why is it such an exciting company? And tell us about your projects.
Absolutely. Well, Lahontan Gold Corp is probably the easiest, exciting story at this show, and I can tell you why. We're a past-producing open pit gold and silver in the best jurisdiction in the world. Gold and silver, of course, is the best. You can see in this beautiful picture, open pit heap leach operation. We're fast-tracking it back into production. We should be breaking ground early next year, Q2-ish, so that's exciting. Our share price is up in the 52-week high, over 18x, so that's exciting. We have extremely high volume, so when I think about shareholders wanting to dabble into stock, we have the perfect stock because we trade between 5 and 6 million a day on average, so I like that. We've got a lot of going on this year with permitting and 3 drill rigs, so lots of news flow, lots of catalysts, and another project coming online.
Are you able to share any details about the new project, or is it too early?
It's too early.
Absolutely. And so, what should we be on the lookout for? You mentioned there's quite a bit happening. What should investors and the general market be on the lookout for from Lahontan?
Yeah, so that's a good question always. We've got lots going on. Drill results, met work, permitting, it's all happening in unison. But I always call them breadcrumbs. Like, people need to get our newsletter and see what's happening, because every day we're building up to a bigger thing, and people need to pay attention to what that looks like. And essentially, we're building a pretty darn good mine, big one, and it's not that hard to think about heap leach in Nevada. Our capex is about $121 million, short payback, so it's a perfect asset in the best jurisdiction in the world, and I couldn't be more happy to be delivering this to the market in this amazing time for our industry.
Absolutely. I mean, any thoughts on gold in particular? Where is it going to go? I mean, we're just continuing to see all-time highs. It's an exciting time to be in the gold space.
Yeah, I mean, people have these crazy ideas of 10,000 gold, and I frankly, I don't want to see $10,000 gold, because I think that means something else for our world. But look, our project makes money above $1,200, so we'll be printing money, whether it's 3, 5, whatever. I think that it will stabilize out. I don't know if it's 5 or 6,000. Silver's looking good also. I think copper's actually going to come online and start running, so I think people should be on the lookout for that, because as we all know, we have a shortage on all these metals, and as people understand that, especially with our geopolitical environment, I mean, things are going to shift again. So lots of ups and downs. I think we'll have a correction, but it's still going to go back up.
Absolutely. And how's your time been at PDAC so far? Is it
crazy busy? So many people coming by, happy shareholders, because our share price has been moving so much. And, this past 6 months has been so active. So it's a really fun time to be here, because everybody is seeing some exciting things.
Excellent. Well, Kimberly Ann, it's always a pleasure to be able to catch up. Thanks so much for joining us here today.
Thank you for having me.